I'm John Morgan. Thank you for trusting Morgan & Morgan with your case. Our goal is to ensure that you receive full and fair compensation for your injuries. Over the next few minutes, our lawyers will go through a list of do's and don'ts for a successful claim. Thank you for watching this video.
Firstly, it's extremely important that you do everything you can to get well. Follow your doctor's advice. Make sure you attend all appointments and follow treatment recommendations. Make sure you report your injury to your employer promptly. In many states, you have 30 days to report your work-related injury. Keep us informed of your treatment and names of medical professionals. You don't have to report each and every visit to us, but we want to know how you're doing and if there are any significant changes in your health or treatment. Be honest with your medical professionals. Tell them about any pain and symptoms that you are experiencing. The insurance company's lawyers will argue that a failure to report a complaint or condition means that it didn't exist. If you have to miss a doctor's appointment, be sure to call. Otherwise, it will go into your chart as a no-show. The defense will get all of your medical records and show that you're not hurt that badly, as you don't attend every doctor's appointment that you're supposed to.
Workers' compensation generally covers only three things: partial lost wages, medical care for the injuries directly related to your accident, plus additional money if you have a permanent disability as a result of your accident. Your authorized doctor will determine your work status. That could mean that you can't work at all, or you can work with some type of light duty with restrictions. If you are taken out of work completely, you are eligible for temporary total disability benefits, or TTD. This is usually paid at a rate of 2/3 of your average weekly wage for as long as your doctor has you out of work. It is important that you not work or receive any income or unemployment compensation while collecting these benefits. Depending on your state, checks are usually issued every 1 or 2 weeks. You are not paid for your first 7 days off work unless you are disabled for 21 days or more. Your doctor will likely release you to some form of light duty soon after the accident. The insurance companies often pressure the doctors to release you to light duty as soon as possible. If you are released to light duty, you may be eligible for temporary partial disability benefits, or TPD. If you return to work and earn less money, you may be entitled to receive part of the difference between what you were making before your accident, your average weekly wage, and your current earnings while on light duty. If your employer does not have light duty work available, you may receive income benefits. The exact amount depends on your average weekly wage and the laws of your state. Always keep us posted regarding any changes in your work status. Do not return to work without speaking to us first. The workers' compensation carrier is responsible for your medical benefits, but they control them almost completely. In most cases, the law does not give you the right to choose your own doctors. Any referrals to see a specialist or to have a test such as an MRI or CT scan or other medical benefits must be issued by your authorized doctor. Most people start their medical treatment at a walk-in clinic and eventually get referred to a specialist. If you are not satisfied with your authorized doctor, you may request a change from the carrier. The specific rules on changing doctors vary from state to state, but once you make this one-time change, it is extremely difficult to see another doctor. If you want to change doctors, please speak to us first and let us handle it, as there are procedures to help get the best results for you. Generally speaking, all medical treatment must be authorized by the carrier in advance. You are not free to seek treatment on your own and send them the bills. Also, group health insurance companies, Medicaid, and Medicare rarely cover workers' compensation issues, and when they do, there are problems and special considerations to address. Please speak to us before getting unauthorized medical care for injuries related to your accident.
There is always a strong chance that you will be surveilled sooner or later. We don't want to make you paranoid, but be smart. They will follow you to the grocery store, the gym, anywhere they can catch you carrying things, bending over, twisting, and you simply must be careful. Your claim can be ruined by a 30-second videotape, which is then misrepresented by the defense. You cannot lie to us. If you lie to us, they will catch you every time. They know how to find out the truth. We can protect you, but only if you tell us the truth about everything, period. If you have a pre-existing condition of any kind, that's okay, but you must tell us so we can properly deal with it and instruct you how to address it with your authorized physicians. Our lawyers are trained to handle pre-existing conditions. Don't ever lie to us or your doctors about a pre-existing condition. It is imperative that you provide us with an accurate medical history from day one, no matter how irrelevant or relevant you might think it is.
Don't speak with coworkers or anyone in a supervisory role regarding your case. You are required to keep your employer informed about your work restrictions, but that does not mean they can ask for specific details relating to your treatment. It is best to keep those details surrounding your case between you and your attorney. Don't sign anything without our approval, especially a blank medical authorization, which allows insurance companies freedom to look into your personal medical history without disclosing each inquiry to you. Don't post information or images of your injuries or your claim online. In fact, it is best to not post anything while you are dealing with your case, including anything that shows you doing something that the insurance company will try to use against you. No one expects you to stop living your life, especially because of an accident that was not your fault. But we want decisions made in your case based on facts, not what an insurance company will try to allege is a fact. So do not post on social networking sites like Facebook, Twitter, Snapchat, or Instagram. Have you ever heard the phrase, "there is no such thing as a dumb question"? We at Morgan & Morgan believe that to be true. We are here to answer all your questions 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. By selecting us as your attorneys, we will always do our best to protect your rights and ensure that you receive the benefits you need and deserve.
Morgan & Morgan, forthepeople.com.